Hi everybody, this is Andrew Smith from Royal LePage in Kelowna. Happy New Year. 2015 saw Kelowna real estate agents generate 3,042 residential sales. That's residential houses as opposed to strata condominiums. That's up fairly significantly from 2014 when we generated just under 2,800 sales. The 250 unit increase in sales was certainly a surprise to everybody, considering the drop in resource prices that we all experienced last year. The average sale price for 2015 was $551,000 for residential, which is up marginally over the $542,000 sale price for 2014. That represents approximately a 2% increase in home sales, which really isn't bad, considering a lot of experts were predicting that things were going to go the other way. In regards to strata, 2015 saw 1,174 unit sales compared to 1,027. So same story. That's up approximately 9% over the previous year. The prices last year, 2015, were $259,000 compared to $243,000 the year before. That is approximately a 6% increase in prices for condos year over year. Wasn't supposed to happen because the big story of the year was oil, the drop in oil, and the impact that was going to have on our housing market in Kelowna. People were just kind of a little bit nervous, waiting for something really bad to happen, but it didn't. There's no argument there were fewer Albertans here last year buying our houses, but it turned out that it was more than offset by the number of people from the coast, people from Vancouver Island, people from the Lower Mainland who decided to unplug themselves from that community. They're equity rich, and perhaps a $500,000 home sale price, there just isn't the sticker shock that a lot of people locally would have. The other major impact that we saw was the decline of the Canadian dollar, or the strengthening of the US dollar. 8 years ago, a lot of people decided to invest in American condos, the American housing market, specifically in Arizona, California, Hawaii. What's happened since then is the value of those houses have gone up, and the value of the American dollar has increased relative to the Canadian dollar. So now, maybe 8 to 10 years later, they don't like those places. They're all really nice, but we're seeing those people sell out, and they're coming back to Kelowna to invest here, especially since it's certainly a lot easier. We don't have a border to cross. You don't have the hassles with healthcare. You don't have the hassles with the IRS. So a lot of people are just, they've made their money, they're cashing out, and they're happy here. That's about it. Happy New Year. The good news about Kelowna is, regardless of what happens with these crazy numbers, it's always going to be a blue chip area. It's always going to be a nice place to raise kids. People are genuinely happy living here. Nothing bad ever happens in Kelowna, and yeah, it's just all around. It's a nice little place. Anyway, if I read those numbers too fast, send me a quick email or give me a quick telephone call, and I'll email you the recap for 2015. Happy New Year, and thanks for watching.